எல்லா தமிழ் தீபாவளி 2020.
எல்லா தமிழ் நேயர்களுக்கு இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். என்னடா ஒரு புது ப்ரோக்ராம் வரப்போகுதுன்னு நீங்கள் நினைக்கலாம். ஒன்றும் இல்லைங்க, மாயை. மாயையா மாஹியா? தெளிவாக கேட்டிங்களா? இல்லைங்க, மாயை செய்ய போகிறது நம்ம மாஹி. என்னடா பொண்ணு பேருன்னு யோசிக்கிறீங்களா? பொண்ணே தாங்க. என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா ஒன்றும் இல்லைங்க, இல்யூஷன்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. இல்யூஷன்ஸ்னால் என்ன தெரியுமா? இருக்குது ஆனால் இல்லை, இல்லை ஆனால் இருக்குது. அதை கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு பண்ண போகிறாங்க. அடுத்தது மேனிப்புலேட்டிவ் ஆக்ட்ஸ். மேனிப்புலேட்டிவ் ஆக்ட்ஸ்னால் 1 2 காட்டுறது, 2 4 காட்டுறது, 4 5 காட்டுறது. அதுக்காக உங்கள் 100 dirhams கொண்டுட்டு வந்து 500 dirhams ஆக்கலான்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. கண்டிப்பாக அது நடக்காது. அது பண்ணாலும் உங்ககிட்ட தர மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ அந்த எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷனில் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் பார்க்காதீங்க. கடைசியாக பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து அவங்க செகண்ட் சைட் ஆக்ட். சைட் அடிக்கிறதுன்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. ஒன்றும் இல்லைங்க, உங்கள் மைண்டில் இருக்கிறத அவங்க அப்படியே ரீட் பண்ணி உங்கள் மைண்டில் இருக்கிறத சொல்ல போகிறாங்க. மைண்ட் ரீடிங் மாதிரி இருக்கும், ஆனால் இருக்காது. வாங்க ப்ரோக்ராம்குள்ளே போகலாம்.
எல்லா தமிழ் நேயர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஸோ நான் உங்கள் மெஜிஷியன் மஹி. உங்களுக்காக ஒரு சின்ன மேஜிக் ட்ரிக் இன்றைக்கி நான் வச்சுருக்கேன். ஸோ நம்ம கையில் ஒரு சிகப்பு கலர் கார்டு இருக்குது, ஒரு கருப்பு கலர் கார்டு இருக்குது. ஸோ நம்ம இந்த சிகப்பு கலர் கார்டை மகிழ்ச்சின்னு வச்சுக்கலாம், இந்த கருப்பு கலர் கார்டை துன்பம்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ சிகப்பு இன்பம், கருப்பு துன்பம் ஆர் இருள் அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ நான் என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன் அப்படின்னா, இந்த சிகப்பு கலர் கார்டை டேபிளில் வச்சிடுறேன். ஓகே, ஸோ இன்பத்தை டேபிளில் வச்சுருக்கேன். ஸோ துன்பத்தையும் டேபிளில் வச்சிடுறேன். வச்சுட்டா இங்கே எதுவும் இல்லை. ஓகே, எதுவும் இல்லை. ஸோ இன்பமும் துன்பமும் கலந்தது தான் வாழ்க்கை, கரெக்டாக? ஆனால் இன்றைக்கி தீபாவளி, ரைட்? ஸோ பாருங்கள், இப்படி வேவ் பண்ணால் மேஜிக் நடக்கும். இப்படி வேவ் பண்ணால் மேஜிக் நடக்கும். சி, துன்பம்ன்றது காணாமல் போயிடுச்சு. ஸோ இப்போ நம்மகிட்ட இருக்கிறது இன்பம் மட்டும்தான். ஸோ என்னோட இந்த மேஜிக் ட்ரிக் மாதிரி உங்களோட வாழ்க்கையிலும் துன்பம்ன்ற இருள் காணாமல் போகட்டும், இன்பம் மட்டுமே நிலைக்கட்டும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்னுடைய இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். தேங்க்யூ.
Okay, so we have magician Mahi with us today, and she's got some amazing powers, Jenny. Okay, and she's going to demonstrate that. Okay, do you happen to have some changes in your pocket? You know, coins?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, I want you to. Do you know how much change you have in your pocket? It's just random change.
No, it's
okay, put your hand inside and just pick up some few coins in your hand. Okay, and don't. Yeah. Okay, don't do anything, just keep your hand closed.
Yeah.
Okay, now for this entire thing, Mahi is going to look away from us. So Mahi, I want you to look at the camera and honestly don't peek. Don't even dare to see what is happening behind, okay? I want you to turn a little bit more. Yeah, fine. Okay, and keep your hand over your eyes like that. No, cover your eyes. Yeah, that's it. So now she can't see, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we are sure that she can't see what's happening. I want you to put the change here, and meanwhile, yeah, just put it. She doesn't have to see. I can see. Would you explain what we are about to do now?
I've been practicing on this like more than 15 years. This is like I can understand the object just by hearing the sound. That is what I'm going to do. So I'm not looking at that side.
Yes.
Okay, and you can trust me. Okay, shall we start?
So let's start by, there are three different types of coins, right?
Yes.
I want you to pick any coin, give it to me. Magnificent. What?
That sounded like 1 dirham coin.
Wow.
What?
Wow.
Yes.
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 That is a 1 dirham coin, right?
Yes.
Okay, we will put that back. This time it is your choice.
Okay.
Okay. Hand me any coin you like. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, that sound was not very powerful. You know, so I think it is 25 fills.
Whoa.
Absolutely right. That was a 25 fills.
Yes.
Okay, so that means she can do what she claims she can do. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, let's make it a little bit more difficult for her.
Okay.
Okay, hand me any coin you like. Marvelous. Give me another one. Nice.
I think 50 fills and only.
Exactly. Exactly.
Nice, nice.
Okay, okay. You've done well. You've done well. Okay. Now we are going to try another one. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh,
Oh, that sounded like a lot of coins.
yes.
Yeah.
How she will guess?
The total must be 3 dirhams and 75 fills.
You mean the total of the coins is 3 dirhams, 75 fills?
That's the feeling I'm getting.
Okay, let's just check that out.
Can I turn? No.
Yeah, you can turn now. That's 1 dirham.
Okay.
That's 2 dirhams. This is 250. That's 3, 325, 350, and 375. Exactly 375.
How
And just by listening to the sound,
great.
that's amazing, Mahi. So, Andrea, Jenny, we have our magician Mahi with us, and she has already taken a stance. You know, she's not looking at us. She's looking away from us because she just doesn't care what is going to happen behind her head. She has this psychic ability to know everything. Okay, so here we have a deck of cards. Okay, and you can see that they are all jumbled up and mixed. So even if I shuffle like this, you know, you might doubt, saying, okay, maybe he's doing something. So I would like you to shuffle this back. Yeah, so we know that this is a random mix of cards. Okay, so I'm going to fan these cards in front of you. I want you to touch any card you like. Which one? This one? No. I just said touch any card you like.
Touch.
Okay, that is it. Okay. Now, I don't know what that card is, but if it is a joker, then we are not going to use it.
Okay.
Just check if it's a joker. I mean, I don't know, but if it is not, it is a joker, so we don't want it. I think we should remove the joker. No, that was not a trick. Okay, I forgot to remove the joker and a blank card. Yeah, sorry. Okay, let's remove.
Actually, already that was one trick.
That was a trick, yeah. That was a free bonus trick. Okay, so one more time I'm going to shuffle this, and I just want you to touch any card you like. This one?
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, take the card, don't show it to anybody. Only you just look at it. Now imagine, you could have picked up a number card, or you could have picked up a picture card. Nobody knows what card you have taken. Mahi, please start.
I think you have taken the black card. Am I right?
Correct.
And I think black means it could be clubs or it could be spade. So you must have taken the spade.
Maybe you can tell us the value.
Correct.
I'll try. I think it is King of Spade.
Is it? Will you show it to the camera? It is the King of Spade. That's absolutely crazy. Okay. Wow. Okay, Jenny, I want you to mix up these cards. Okay, make sure that yeah. If you don't know how to mix, I can help you. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, that's good enough. And I'm going to spread this in front of you. And you don't even show me the card, okay? You just touch any card you like. Just touch a card, any card. This one? Yeah. You happy with that? Yeah. Okay, take that. Keep it with you. Don't show it to anybody else. Yeah. Okay? Mahi, please start.
I wanted to concentrate on your card. You also have taken the black color.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think you also went for the same suit, which is spade. Spade,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Right. Can you tell us the value?
Please concentrate on the card. It is 4 of spade.
Is it the 4 of spade? Show it, show it, show it, please show it. It is the 4 of spade. It is the 4 of spade. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, okay. This is really crazy, okay? Andrea, do me a favor. Would you just cut this deck any way you like? Okay, and we will mark the place where you cut like that. Okay, now all of us are going to keep silent. We will not even acknowledge, okay? When you say it is a black card or spade, we are not going to even say yes.
Okay.
And please don't say the card in steps. I want you to say the card in one go. This is it. Can you do that?
Okay, I'll try my best.
Okay, don't look, don't look. Okay, you have already cut the card at that point. I want you to lift this packet and look at the card that you cut to. Yeah, take that. Don't show it to anybody else. Okay, put the other cards back. No, put the other cards back. Yeah, that's it. Okay, one go, one chance.
I want you to concentrate on the card. You have that card in your mind? I think it is 3 of diamonds.
Is it?
Is it? This was the first card I picked out.
You always go for 3 of. You always go for 3 of diamonds. Huh?
That's why I was shocked.
Yeah.
That's my problem.
Amazing, amazing. So I need 2 people for the next psychological experiment we're going to do. Okay, and one is to do with a personal thought in your mind. So with you, I'm going to ask you to think of a person, most likely a friend, in your mind. I don't know any of your friends, right? Or your relatives, but I just want you to think of someone who's close to you, a friend. Yeah? And you, I want you to think of something simpler, like a single digit number between 1 and 10. Do you have one?
Yes.
Good. Do you have a person in mind? Okay, keep that thought to yourself because I am going to try and figure that out. Okay, I'll start with you because the number is going to be relatively easy because it has to be between 1 and 10. So I'm going to write my choice right here. Okay, don't look. I've written something here.
Yeah.
What is the number? Loudly, I want you to say this very loudly. What is the number that you have in your mind?
2.
Is it 2?
Yes.
Is that what you saw in the beginning? Okay, we will come to that. With you, we have a name, right? Is this person in Dubai right now?
Yes.
This person is in Dubai.
Yeah.
And it's a male, no? It's not, Okay. When was the last time you met this person?
You need the exact date?
No. Is it a week ago or 2 days ago? Or is it a very long time ago?
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago. Okay. I've got a name coming to me. I'm going to fold this and give it to my friend here. Okay, so I'm committed, yeah? Can you tell us this name that you merely have in your mind?
I have to tell the name.
Yeah.
Alan. Alan.
Alan.
Yeah.
Alan.
Yeah.
Do I know him?
No.
Obviously no.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to open the paper, read what is written there.
Oh.
And that is Alan. Would you show that to the camera? Is that the person you had in mind? Yes. Okay. So let's come back to you.
Okay.
See, I was asking you to think of any number that you wanted, and you made a random choice, which was 2. Okay, that was a thought that came to your mind. So we're going to take that one step further. See, inside this, there are 3 dice.
Okay.
Okay? If you close this, then I won't be able to see it, because see, on all the sides, it's opaque. So I'm going to turn my back. I want you to remove any color dice you like. And you're going to shake it in your hand, and then you're going to lift and see the number on top.
Oh. Let's see.
Okay, so I'm going to close this. I'm not looking, and nobody is giving me any clue either. So just take one die out. Okay, shake it in your hand.
Yeah.
Just shake it in your hand
Okay.
and settle on the number that you see on top. Do you see a number on top?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you changing the number?
Can I show the camera?
No.
Okay.
Do you see the number on
Yes.
top?
Yes.
Are you changing it?
No.
You should not change it. Keep it flat on your hand.
Okay.
Just keep it flat on your hand.
Okay.
And show it to your friends on either side so they can also see it.
Okay.
You all saw that. Okay. And keep the dice closed in your hand, so I have no idea what color it is. Have you closed the box so I don't see the other dice? Okay. Look straight into my eyes. First, I'm going to try and figure out the color of the dice that you took. You chose the red dice.
Oh.
Yeah? And you have a number in your mind now, which could be any of those numbers, right? You're not the kind of person who would choose 1. You know, 1 meaning standing right in front. But you wouldn't want to be the last person either. But you are not an average person. You are someone who would go in between. Did you choose the number 2?
How it is?
Is that right, Kabir?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, I can see I'm right from your reaction.
Seriously, it's 2.
Okay, so let's do it. Okay, now I'm going to use all 3 of you. Okay, which color would you like?
Can I put-
No. Okay, put it back. Okay, free choice for you, lady. Which is your favorite? Blue. Which is your favorite? White. So you get the red back. Okay. So what I want you to do is, this time I want you to choose a number. Okay. And keep it on the table with that number up. Okay. Like for example, if you chose 3, you keep 3 on top, cover it with your hand like this. So there's no way I can see it. I mean, one hand is enough, you can't see it.
Sure, but I will not choose 3. I will choose myself.
Of course. So you get the idea. The idea. So I'm going to turn my back to you. So choose your numbers.
Okay.
Keep the dice on table. Okay. Keep the dice on table and cover it with your hand.
Yes.
Sure.
Done?
Yeah.
Close your hand tight. Huh? I can't see that. Okay. You are easy to read. Last time you picked number 1, right?
Yes.
So this time you went for the 6. Lift your hand. Just lift your hand.
Oh
Lift your hand.
my God.
And that is a 6.
Yes.
Okay. Now you chose the white dice, right?
Yes.
So you are trying to catch up with them.
No, if
which
you
means
catch this, I will crazy. I will went outside.
don't.
Seriously.
Please don't go outside.
No,
so I'll come to you at the last. Okay. But the young girl here, you had a free choice. Okay, you chose a number. Okay, you look like the number 4 person to me.
Oh.
Did you pick up 4? Lift your hand. Let's have a look. Yeah, 4. But you're still here. You're still
I'm
here.
so nervous now.
You're so nervous. I'll tell you what. Okay. 6, 4. What's in between? 5, yeah?
No! Actually, I don't know how you want.
Oh my God.
I only said, what's in between.
No, in between means finish. I'm also sitting in between you and I'm mad today. I'm not sleep.
இந்த வீடியோவை கண்டிப்பாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க, நல்லா தெரியும். உங்களோட ஃபீட்பேக்கை கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் கொடுங்க. அது போக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலைன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். அதே மாதிரி டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்கிற ஃபார்மை ஃபில் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் ப்ரைஸ் வின் பண்ணுற ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இருக்குது. ஸோ மறக்காமல் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் கீப் வாட்சிங் ஆர் ஷோஸ். இன்னும் நிறைய ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்குங்க.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மேலும் எல்லா தமிழ் சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.